What is up guys, this is Ranjit and in this video I am going to show you how you can control an RGB LED using your Android phone. We will be making our own app and we will learn about some cool instructions of Arduino. There is a lot to learn in this video, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. First I will start with making the Android app. For this we are going to use MIT App Inventor. To start, click on projects and then start new project. This is the designer of App Inventor, where as the name says you design the interface of the app. The components that you will need for this are list picker. This button when clicked will show the list of all Bluetooth devices paired with your phone. I will also use a canvas that will show the color wheel. I found this image on Google. In the same canvas, insert a ball that acts like a pointer. Then comes the label. This shows the color code in decimal format. Next component is the button, which when clicked will send the color values to the Arduino. And the last item is the Bluetooth client, which sets up the connection with the Arduino. With this we have completed the designer part of the app. Now let's move to the block editor. It is kinda hard to predict what the height of the canvas should be because different devices may have different resolution, different screen sizes, hence color wheel might look stretched. So assuming that you have a square image for the canvas using these blocks, I'll set the image height equal to image width. The result is that it keeps the image from stretching vertically. Now I will add the blocks that will set up the connection with the Bluetooth module. Remember I told you that ball is acting as a pointer? So instead of moving the ball directly below your finger and remain hidden, I will subtract a certain value so that the ball is above your finger and remains visible all the time. Now I will add the blocks that will read the color value of the pixel exactly where the ball is resting. This color value is shown on the label that is used while designing the interface. Let's assign the task to the button. As the block's name says, they will together be used to send the data to the Arduino. With this we have completed the Android app. If you did everything correctly, your app should be working. That was easy, wasn't that? This is the Arduino code. The color code received from the Arduino is in the form of string. So first I declared a string that will store the color value. After that I declared 3 pins, each controlling one color of the RGB LED separately. In the setup function I declare the baud rate to be 9600. In the loop function using if condition I am checking if any data is available or not. If there is any data, then following statements are executed. The received color code is transferred to main string variable. Then using index of function, we find the index or the position of commas that separate the individual values of each color. Using substring function, I separated the individual color values and stored them into different string variables. Since these values are in string form and cannot be directly used in analog write function, they first need to be converted into integer values. That's exactly what toInt function does. For this demonstration, I have used common anode LED. If you are using common cathode LED, you will have to slightly tweak the code. Instead of using the analog write statement that I used, you will replace them with the ones shown in the comment next to them. With this, we have completed the Arduino code also. Now let's have a look at the circuit diagram. It is time to run the app and test the circuit. As you can see, everything is working the way we wanted it to work. If you want me to make video on any other topic or have any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, do hit the like button and share this video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.